I have a Westinghouse Virtuoso oven. The clock is flashing from 0 to auto to 0, etc. None of the buttons seem to work, and nor does the oven itself.
Hi there and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. I will be assisting you with your question today. At any time you may ask further questions if you feel the need, even after rating. May I have the full model number of your oven, please? If this is not possible, can you tell me how many buttons you have on the timer, please, and the symbols associated with them? Thank you.
The model no. Is Paul 781S.
Thank you. How many buttons on your oven timer, please? I will require this information, as the service document has 5 different timers showing for the Paul and Gook/Pack range of Westinghouse ovens.
There are 6 buttons.
Hi Lindsay, here are the instructions for your 6-button programmable timer for your Westinghouse Pour model oven. Let me know how it goes, please. Okay, any further questions, just ask, I'm happy to answer them. Thank you.
Thank you. All is good now, and I thank you for your assistance.
Hi Lindsay, this is great news. If I can be of any further assistance, just drop me a line here. Thank you for using JustAnswer. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41201.21525325323.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.